Book CBSE Class 10 Science, Chapter 5, Life Processes. Memo Worksheet Topic, Heterotrophic Nutrition and its Types. Worksheet Number 2. Living organisms require energy to perform basic life processes. This energy comes from nutrition. When organisms cannot prepare their own food and depend on other organisms, they follow heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Small diamond definition of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from other organisms. It is found in animals and non-green plants, like fungi. Depending on how food is obtained, heterotrophic nutrition is classified into several types. Small diamond Holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which organisms take in solid food, break it down, and absorb nutrients. Example: human beings, amoeba, dogs. Holozoic nutrition involves 5 basic steps: ingestion right pointing arrow, digestion right pointing arrow, absorption right pointing arrow, assimilation right pointing arrow, egestion. Small diamond Saprotrophic, saprophytic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms feed on dead and decaying organic matter. Example: fungi, bread mold, mushrooms. Such organisms release digestive enzymes outside the body to break down complex substances into simpler ones and then absorb them. Small diamond Parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms live inside or outside the body of a host organism and derive nutrients from it. Example: tapeworm, lice, leech, cuscuta, amabal in Hindi. Parasites harm the host and may cause diseases. Small diamond Insectivorous nutrition. Insectivorous nutrition is a type of nutrition where plants trap and digest insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirement. Example: pitcher plant, Venus flytrap. These plants are partially autotrophic and partially heterotrophic. Small diamond nutrition in amoeba, Holozoic type. Amoeba shows Holozoic nutrition. It captures food using finger-like extensions called pseudopodia. It then forms a food vacuole where digestion occurs. The digested food is absorbed and the waste is thrown out. Writing hand short answer questions. Question 1. Define heterotrophic nutrition and give 2 examples. Question 2. What is saprotrophic nutrition? Name one organism showing this mode. Question 3. Define parasitic nutrition. Give one example each of a plant and animal parasite. Question 4. Describe the process of nutrition in amoeba. Question 5. What is insectivorous nutrition? Name 2 insectivorous plants. Memo answers. Answer 1. Heterotrophic nutrition is a mode of nutrition in which organisms depend on other organisms for food. Examples: humans, fungi. Answer 2. Saprotrophic nutrition is a mode in which organisms feed on dead and decaying matter. Example: bread mold. Answer 3. Parasitic nutrition is when an organism lives in or on a host and derives food from it. Example: tapeworm, animal, cuscuta, plant. Answer 4. Amoeba surrounds the food using pseudopodia, forming a food vacuole. Inside the vacuole, digestion takes place. The digested food is absorbed and waste is expelled. Answer 5. Insectivorous nutrition is a type of nutrition where plants trap and digest insects for nutrients. Examples: pitcher plant, Venus flytrap.